Question. Velocity of a particle moving in a positive direction of the x-axis as v is equal to k root s, where k is positive constant. The graph of velocity v versus time t will be best out of the four given to us. We require graph between velocity versus time, v versus t, whereas velocity of particle moving in positive direction of x is given as v is equal to k root s. That means velocity is given as a function of displacement. But now we want to draw a graph between velocity and time. So let us start with the formula what is given to us. V is equal to k root s. So since velocity is given as a function of displacement, let us write this velocity in terms of time because we want to draw the graph between velocity and time. So what is velocity in terms of time? Velocity can be written as ds by dt, that is equal to k root s. Now all s terms you bring it together and t terms the other side. So ds by root s is equal to k into dt. Now integrate on either side. The displacement, if we consider 0 to s, here in time 0 to t seconds, so that I can get displacement in terms of time t. So upon integrating, substituting 0 to s, 0 to t, what you get s equal to? S is equal to 1 by 4 k square into t square. Now displacement we got as a function of time. Now it's very easy to get velocity in terms of time. So what is the velocity in terms of time? V is equal to ds by dt. Let us differentiate this function. So 1 by 4 k square into 2t, or it can also be written as half of k square t, that is the velocity. Now we got velocity as a function of time. We require the graph velocity v versus time t. So if half k square, this factor is constant. So v is equal to, we got half k square t. This function is constant. We can write v is proportional to t. If v is proportional to t means the graph should be a straight line starting from the origin. So graph A will be the correct or the best graph. B is not proportional graph, is wrong. This is also not proportional starting from origin. This is not starting from origin. It has certain slope as well as the intercept. So this graph is also wrong. So correct option will be option A.